Hey gang, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy. Today, I want to show you something stupid that I did, once again, and how I'm going to fix it. Y'all know that I like cheap tarps and I like cheap stuff. Well, I got my old 10 by 10 nylon tarp that I paid like 19 bucks for off of Amazon like 7 or 8 years ago. And this is my go-to tarp for doing stuff. And I thought that I would practice a couple of different setup types. So in buying a cheap tarp, this one doesn't have the loops down the center line like a nice DD would have. So I have to use tarp clips, okay? And when I was setting it up in a specific configuration, using the tarp clips, the tarp clip made little holes in my tarp. So now I got holes in my tarp. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna fix the holes in my tarp. You might not agree, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Before we do that, I would like to ask you guys to please hit the like button and subscribe. That goes a long ways toward helping the algorithm put this video out to other people. So, without further ado, let me take you down to the workbench of death and I'll show you my stupidity. Okay, here we are down on the workbench of death, and here's the culprit at hand. The first culprit is my stupidity. The second culprit is a tarp clip. See, when these tarp clips are open, they've got these teeth, and the teeth are kind of sharp. And if you clip the tarp clip on the seam of the tarp, it's not too bad. But I went over the seam of the tarp, and I don't know whether you guys can see the little white spots. God, I'm trying to get this. The little white spots right there. The underside of the tarp is silver, and this is lapped over itself. So you can see I've got holes there, and they're very small holes. I could probably leave them. And, you know, if you got in a real hard rain, you might get a few drops or so in there. But I don't want to do that. I want to try this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some of this shit. Dynaflex 230 clear silicone caulk, and this comes out white but it dries clear. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a little silicone on my finger. Hope my caulk's not dried up. No, there it is. All right. That's about enough. All right, you don't want too much. You get under here. Now I'm gonna just go over the holes. I'm just gonna rub it into the holes. All right. Okay. There's one. Okay, and kind of try to seal the hole. And we're gonna get another. Check the caulk here. There's another hole on this side right there. So I'm just gonna rub some of this into that hole. Take off a little bit of the excess. Okay. But you can leave quite a bit of it on there. This is white, but it's, like I said, it's going to dry clear. Put a little more over there, because I can still see a little bit of a hole. Now, you may think that, Matt, you're an idiot. This is never going to work. It's going to leak. But this is silicone caulk, and this is a nylon tarp. So you're never going to see the silicone. And even if it doesn't work, even if it works 90% good, and this patches the holes, it's only going to let a drop or two in a hard rain. All right, so that's our repair. I'm going to let this side sit overnight, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the other side that I did last night, and I'm going to show you that. So hold on a second. Okay, so here is the repair that I made last night, and you can see these two holes right here. The caulk is dried clear, and it's still a little tacky, so I may put a second coat on there, but I'm going to let this sit for a day or two and dry right out, and I'm pretty sure that these are going to stop the leaks. and it's still nice and flexible, you know. I don't want to use no more tarp clips the wrong way, but that's how I'm going to make a quick and easy repair of small holes, not rips or tears, but small holes in a nylon tarp. So let's go back up and talk about what we learned today. Okay, so what did we learn today? We learned two things. One, I'm an idiot for putting tarp clips on my tarp the wrong way and making holes in my tarp. And two, we learned that I'm a cheap ass and I don't want to pay 200 bucks or 100 bucks for a nice DD tarp. I would rather struggle along with my $19 special. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a like and give me a subscribe. This is not a great fix. And remember, this is only for little small pinholes. And even if you didn't repair a hole like that in a light rain or a moderate rain, you would still only get a few drips through. I mean, it's not like it's going to be leaking like a sieve, you know. It's not, and water's not going to come pouring through there. You would still get a few drips. And I think this caulk is going to stop mostly all of the drips. I may get one or two, but hey, I can live with that. So I hope you like this video. Once again, like and subscribe. And this is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.